We're here today at Bryn Meadows Hotel, Golf and Spa Resort to welcome all our students to our second Hair and Beauty Expo. The idea today is to give students an opportunity to meet employers, to help them with employability and enterprise. So we have a range of employers with us today, and we also got the Prince's Trust and Business Wales to help support our students. So this is a great opportunity for our students to have an opportunity to meet and greet and network with employers for the future.
So I am here today to have a little chat to different students about running your own business. It's great to have so many different organisations and businesses here supporting the students, and yeah, hopefully everybody will take something away.
I've met loads of different employers, people who can help me in the future, setting up my own business, getting a job in different career paths. So yeah, it's been really good.